Guys, I come
Gosh,
again, Peter.
guys, see this? Woo! See this? Do you see the rain? This is like Denmark today, and we're going to school, and I'm already all wet, and also Lily, and I'm Rose, and my friend, our friend. Oh my gosh, this is so like I can't even. This is Denmark, and it's like shitty wet. Like I have been in the rain like 2 minutes, and I already all wet. And you see all this? It's on 1 hour. This already is made. Wee! Oh my gosh, this is so like I don't know. I just want to get into class right now. Oh my god, like I'm in shock. So yeah.